पंजाब की सीनियर वजीर मरियम औरंगजेब ने कहा है कि स्मोक से सिर्फ लाहौर नहीं बल्कि मुल्क और खित्ते के दीगर हिस्से भी मुतासिर हुए। तहम अब इसके लिए मुख्तलिफ इकदाम किए जा रहे हैं। ब्रीथ पाकिस्तान कॉन्फ्रेंस से वीडियो लिंक के खिताब में उनका कहना था कि वजीर आला पंजाब चाहती हैं स्मोक पर भारत समेत दीगर ममालिक की कॉन्फ्रेंस हो।
Last 8 months, as I was saying, was more of mitigation plan. Punjab's first and Lahore division's first mitigation plan with targets, milestones, and monetary framework is already in place, in implementation. And fugitive dust, of course, was another area we visited. Beijing is a case study for the world also and for the region to follow. So we saw these sprinklers of recycled water where there were construction sites. So we came back and implemented it. It has already started. We have changed the law. Every construction site now has sprinklers to start with in Lahore. So that's one area that we are working on as fugitive dust, because we do have evidence and data in December and November where we had seen peaks for the first time. Of course, weather conditions did play a role.